2 months, 13 destinations, 1 incredible country. We traded our comfort zone for this. From the rush of quad biking through rice paddies to the serenity of swimming with manta rays, Indonesia threw everything at us. Active volcanoes, hidden waterfalls, traditional ceremonies, and enough beaches to last a lifetime. Join us as we explore the magic of Indonesia, one adventure at a time.
Good morning, guys, and as you can see, you might not be able to tell,
I look like a minion.
Papui, we are at Bali Zoo, so we're going to go and check this out. Mum loves animals, little house loves animals, so I'm going to show them around, go see a lot of animals.
Booked online because it's just book online.
Yeah.
It's so busy.
Yeah, so many school trips and stuff coming on a Friday. Might have been a bit better if we come on a Wednesday, but it's just the only day we had left.
If you want to feed the elephants, it's an extra 60,000.
Yeah, so Mum and House is doing that, feeding the elephants. Not riding them, because you can do that here, which is not good.
Don't do
But
that.
they're feeding them. These are so fascinating. Look at 2 of them. Wow. Meerkats. Cam's gone in the hole. Car, it's tight in there.
Don't come in with me.
I'm going to film you over the other side.
Take a picture of her in there.
Oh, it's coming with the meerkats. We just need one to come up to you. They've gone in their little hole.
You can't see them.
What do you think, House? Look at him up there. I think these are gibbons, aren't they? He's having a munch off. It looks like you. You've got the munchies.
So look.
This one's on one with this. Whoa. Oh, there we go.
Chill.
Gonna chill and then go back to it again. On the free shuttle bus. Cam's excited. Off we go. Oh, the foxes, are they? Wow. Is that? It's climbing across. Tigers.
It's got the hiccup.
Oh.
Lihat dia tangannya.
Look at these ones' little faces. It's a Javan Lango.
Island. So how to differentiate between males and females of this bird? That's not easy. You can see from the colors of the pouch on the neck. The male one, they have yellow pouch, while the female, they have blue pouch. Of course, is
Oh, 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 oh.
Caught me by surprise, man.
Oh, Batu Bar Steakhouse.
Your video.
Sorry about the flash. Today we're going to be releasing
The turtle.
so we're going to show you guys us releasing the baby turtles.
Let's go.
Oh look, we're getting ready for the turtle race. I feel like I'm taking my kids to school. Oh.